Car Troubleshooting 101, engine won't start or run. There is always an initial feeling of panic or dread when you get into a car, like you have a million times, and turn the key, or push the button, like every time before, only this time the car doesn't start. If this happens, it is important to separate issues where the motor doesn't turn at all, or just turns slowly, from issues where the motor turns and turns but doesn't start, or where the starter spins but doesn't turn the motor, and then the rare occasion where the engine will start and die immediately, time after time. Each of those behaviors will have a different cause and solution, and knowing the difference will make getting back on the road easier for you. Or the mechanic, starter turns engine slowly or just clicks, low or dead battery, bad positive connection at battery or starter, bad ground at battery or starter, faulty starter or solenoid, engine seizure or hydrolock, starter spins without turning engine, low battery, loose starter bolts, bad starter, bad teeth on flywheel or starter gear, engine turns normally but won't start, no gas or bad gas in tank, bad fuel pump, fouled spark plugs, no spark, ignition. Timing off, timing belt/chain failure, other fuel issue, other ignition issue, bad head gasket/warped head, engine fires but won't run, bad fuel pump, clogged fuel filter, air leak at intake boot. Malfunctioning choke, carbureted engines, faulty temperature sensor, other fuel injection issue. For more tips please subscribe to this channel.